Hey y'all, Miss Star back here on MissStarTv, and this time I'm going to show you a simple eye makeup look using a spoon. If you'd like to see how I achieve that, then please keep watching. Okay, now that I've finished up my brows and put down my eyeshadow base, I'm going to take the spoon, press it gently over my eye, take a small blending brush, put it in some black eyeshadow, and go along the edges like this. Okay, now I'm going to take the side of the spoon like this, going from the edge of my eye, connecting the end like this. Okay, now I'm going to take an even smaller blending brush with nothing on it and blend the outer edges like this. Okay, now I'm going to take my concealer and a small packing brush and fill in the entire inside of the area around where my lids are, like this. Okay, now with an even bigger packing brush, we're going to pack in some white eyeshadow, like this. Okay, now I'm going to apply my liquid and pencil eyeliner like I normally would, like this. Okay, now I'm going to put on these eyelashes from Wet n Wild called Shredding the Fringe. Okay, now I'm going to put on some mascara to bind the fake lashes with the real ones. And then I'm going to put on my foundation, concealer, and setting powder and blush as I normally would. Okay, now I'm going to try to attempt to make some vampy lips using some black eyeliner and red lipstick, like this. Thanks so much for watching. This was simple, easy, and fun. If you like what you saw, click that like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click that subscribe button. If you have any questions, suggestions, concerns, or ideas, please put those in the comment section below and we'll get to those as soon as we can. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok for behind the scenes and so much more. Also, don't forget to follow us on Patreon and become a huge part of our MissStarTv family. Bye!